Utak at puso. Palagi yan, teachers. Utak at puso sa pagtuturo. We often ask ourselves, why are we in these shoes? Asking whether, is this really the road we're taking? Doubting ourselves. Full of what-ifs, hesitations. Many questions run through our minds. Do we deserve to be a teacher? Does my students deserve someone like me as their teacher? What if I made a mistake that could change their whole life? Will I be enough? Will I be able to make change? Then, a teacher, a professor, an advisor, a parent, a mother came to answer these questions, to enlighten us. She said, utak at puso. Always put that in your minds when you become a teacher. Then we asked again, curious, ilaw pa kasi sa experience, bakit kasamang puso? Hindi ba dapat utak ang pairalim para matuto ng husto ang mga bata? But look how far we've come. We are now able to answer these questions. Heart and love is the very core of teaching. Once you love teaching, the history of you will follow. Because in the end, teaching is not only about filling the mind with knowledge. It is also about touching the heart, nurturing values, and inspiring dreams. The lessons we teach may fade, but the kindness, patience, and compassion we show will remain in the lives of our students. Utak will guide us to think, to plan, to strategize. But it is the puso that reminds us why we chose this road in the first place, to make a difference, no matter how small, in the lives of the young ones entrusted to us. So, thank you, Ma'am Carmela, for reminding us that this beautiful truth. Thank you for showing us that teaching is not only a profession, but also a vocation, a calling that demands both intelligence and heart. We carry your words with us as we continue to grow into the teachers we aspire to be. Utak at puso. Iyan ang baon namin habang patuloy naming tinatahak ang daan tungo sa pagtuturo.
It all started one afternoon. You wore your clean blazer, looking professional, and walk with authority. At first, we feared you, but in time, we learned to love and appreciate you. You may be tough, but we know it comes from a mother's love, wanting the best for her children. Thank you, Ma'am, for being part of our journey in Pamantasan, for the lessons you shared and the care you showed us. Our future may be uncertain, but because of you, we are prepared for the road ahead. Sa bagong taon ng iyong paglalakbay, dalangin namin ang iyong tagumpay para sa pamilya, para sa bayan, at para sa bata.
Happy birthday, ma'am. We love you so much.
From your students to your majors, now to your teachers, with love, ELL 41.